The rock and mineral box that we have all provided you for the next few labs that we will have over the course of weeks contain 75 different samples, and they are outlined on this little introductory sheet that is also included with this rock and mineral box that you guys have collected from us. In this box, you also get a rocks and minerals study guide, along with several helpful sheets that we will not necessarily be using for this lab, the next two labs, which will be the minerals labs, but will come in handy for when we start identifying some rocks in here. And so they give you identifying sedimentary rock sheets, they give you identifying igneous rock sheets, identifying metamorphic rock sheets, and then as well as investigating the rock cycle. For this week, we will be focusing on minerals. Now, minerals are from rows 1 to 30. So it starts with talc up here in the far left-hand corner, and it ends with garnet on 30. Now for this week, I have given you all 14 minerals that I would like for you all to focus on, and this can be found on the attached assignment, which will be a mineral profile data sheet, part 1. So for this week, we'll be identifying 14 of the minerals, and for next week, we'll be identifying the other 14 minerals. As you all are completing the mineral profile data sheets, I will ask you to identify for each mineral something like luster, hardness, or streak. Specifically for hardness and streak, you'll be using these 5 common objects that are found in the bottom of your rock and mineral box. They are a magnet, a penny, a nail, a ceramic plate, and a magnifying glass. Now, specifically for streak, you'll be using your streak plate or your ceramic plate here. And for identifying hardness, you'll be using the penny, the nail, the streak plate, and you can also use your nail, your fingernail. For other properties, like maybe I ask you to look to see if there are some striations in the mineral, or maybe some lines or some bumps, you can use a provided magnifying glass to help take a closer look at your minerals. Now, when you're using your magnifying glass, make sure that you hold your mineral far away from the magnifying glass. The last object they'll be using to help you identify some other properties would be your magnet. So some of your minerals and rocks in this box are actually magnetic, and so your magnet will help you determine which rocks and minerals are magnetic.